All right, and welcome back to another GMG product accessory video. Today I'm sitting here with the GMG Davy Crockett, and I want to highlight one of the new accessories that GMG came out with for the Davy Crockett, which is the collapsible upper rack. So GMG makes a collapsible upper rack now for the Daniel Boone, the Jim Bowie, and obviously the Davy Crockett here. And so today I just want to show you a little bit about how this rack is going to be put in, how we pull it out, and just some of the features on this. So number one, this is an all stainless steel rack. This thing is pretty heavy duty. It is really built to last years and years and years. Being collapsible, so these legs fold down, being collapsible, this just allows me to close it up. In my eyes, it makes it a lot easier for cleaning, transportation, and obviously storage than the previous racks that had standalone legs like that. Now, the rack here, again, essentially is designed where I'm able to create more cooking surface or more cooking space with inside the grill. Now, personally, I think the Davy does a really nice job being a small portable barbecue on the overall design. And how many square inches I have in here, I think it's 219 square inches. And this domed lid allows me to do things that I can't do on other small portable tailgating grills. I've had mine for 7 years. I've done chickens, I've done turkeys, I do whole fillets of salmon, I've done all kinds of roasts. So I do quite a bit inside of this grill, but if I am looking to increase my cooking surface in here, I may want to look at the collapsible upper rack. So again, basically, as this folds down, this is going to allow another space where I can place things above. Again, even though this is convection cooking, the highest area of my temperature is going to be right on these grates. So I like to look at this upper rack as more of a warming shelf than I do as a cooking shelf. I think it's perfect for hot dog buns, hamburger buns. If I've got some veggies I want to lay on there and keep warm, maybe I have a little cast iron pan with some beans in it that I want to keep warm. I think that is a great use case for this kind of upper rack. So again, cool accessory. I'm just going to show you guys the best methods for putting this in and for taking it out. And from there, I will have a link to the upper rack below in the video. So feel free to click on that, view some of the measurements, some of the specs, and see if this might be a good accessory for you. So I'm just going to move over to this side. So what I like to do when I'm installing the upper rack is I like to have the legs fully collapsed here. And as you can see, they have purposely designed this to actually be wider than the grill so that this rack can't just slide out. So it has been designed where it is wider than the opening of the grill. So when I want to go ahead and put this in, I'm going to go in at an angle, kind of like we do with our grease strip tray. So once I have it all the way in here, I then grab the top and then I pull down my legs. So there is our collapsible rack once it's installed. Again, we have a few different gaps in here. Obviously, a great tool is a tongs, long tongs in here, but we still have the ability to access the food that's on the grate. And again, be able to use this upper rack, in my opinion, is more of a warming shelf. And again, just kind of increase the volume that we have inside the grill. Once I'm done using this, again, same thing. I like to fold down the legs. I put it at a 45-degree angle like that, and I pull it out. Again, all stainless steel, very easy to wash off with any kind of non-abrasive cleaner, that kind of thing. But that is the GMG Davy Crockett upper rack, collapsible upper rack. Again, I will have a link to it in the video here below. And any questions on the upper rack, any other accessories for the GMG Davy Crockett, maybe a new video that you'd like to see with an accessory for the Davy, just leave a comment in the video. We're always here. We're always happy to help and get you what you need so that you can be doing some great grilling out there. Thanks again for joining us for another session, and we'll see you soon.